So magandang araw kabala, sa video nito kabala, pag-uusapan natin ang top trade asset pang ng TND who failed to win the Grand Slam as they enter po this off-season ngayong 2025, and then we will talk about things around the league, no? Marami pong, lalo na statement ni Bahardo, so mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, nakipindot naman po yung subscription bonus. So let's start po kabala, no? Allow me to comment pala, no? Dun po sa nangyari pong boxing kind of match of Nicolas Torres kabola, Chief PNP, and then supposed Baste Duterte kabola. Of course, this is an objective take, no? Ito, objective take siya sa angle that of sino yung panalo politically dun sa naganap na yon, diba? Of course, it's clear naman ata sa lahat, even siguro ikaw po ay supporter ng mga Duterte, it's kinda clear that ang panalo is yung side po ni Torre, diba? Kabola. Kasi of course, very logical naman yung kanilang point of view. The point of view that ang naghamon is si Baste Duterte, and of course, inaccept niya yung hamon, kabola, and then hindi dumating si Baste. It was actually a very definite victory. I think klaro naman yun pati sa reaction, kabola, no? Kahit pa DDS ka, di ba? It's kinda clear that Torre wins this round. Kabola. So, bakit klaro po na panalo po si Torre? Kasi makikita mo naman yan sa reaction ng mga tao. And of course, we know that what Baste did is really logically kaduwagan. Logically yun, kadugawagan po yun. Kabola. Kahit saang, of course, may mga angle na pwede mo explain, kabola, na may point naman siya sa mga pinagsasabi niya o sa mga rason niya, kabola. Pero still, no? Kapag, ganun naman po kasi yan especially in politics, if you simplify things, kabola, kung sino po yung klaro na nalo doon, kapag sinimplify mo yung isa pong argument, kabola, siya po talaga yung panalo doon sa round na yun ng political maneuvering. And for this one, again, if you simplify this, naghamon po si Duterte, tinanggap po ni Torre, nag-set ng date si Torre, hindi pumunta si Baste Duterte, na siyang yung naghamon. That's easily a win for Torre. So, tignan naman natin kung anong susunod po na moves ng mga DDS, especially against Torre. Now, speaking of Torre, yung malalaking tao, si Fajardo, of course, who just led his team to another championship, stated na Grand Slam naman yung kanila pong next target. Of course, this is a good thing, diba? For me, it's a good thing kapag very vocal, no? Yung player regarding what they want to have, especially sa Liga. Grand Slam naman yung sinasabi ni Pardy. Of course, San Miguel Bremen, panahon pa lang ng Dead 5, kabola, we have always been expecting them to try and accomplish, to get near this Grand Slam. They do. One time ata, lumapit sila dito pero hindi nila na-accomplish. Now, sinasabi ni Fajardo, siguro for one last shot at it, habang nasa 90% pa siya ng full power niya, kabola, they will try to do it. And of course, let us see kung talaga ma-accomplish niya po. Glenn Cobuntin, accomplished po a rare feat. He is now the holder of most games played. I think 76 is the magic number, kabola. First, respect to Cobuntin. Kabola, maalala niyo po yung career nito. He managed to stay in the league by staying with Terrafirma until nakinuha po siya ng TNT. So, doon makikita nyo yung grit ng tao, and of course, we congratulate him. And of course, again, availability is a good skill to have in professional basketball. In short, Cobuntin is a very underrated player, kabola. Speaking of TNT, who is now their top trade asset with all that transpired? For me, their top trade asset right now is JP Aram, and that's because of the sad news na yun nga po, nagkaroon po siya ng ACL injury. So, baka siya naging top trade asset? What they should do? So, simply trade him for the best package, diba? And get something in return. Kabola. Kasi nga po, sa buong next season, mukhang hindi siya makakalaro. It's already a big deal, especially for TNT, who has a lot of aging po sa core nila. They badly need to continue competing, kabola. So, for me, a trade here of JP Aram for something will be good. Kabola. Dapat naman yung trade ng TNT si JP Aram, kami lang po. So, ba?